The Order of the Golden Beam. The year is 2061. Dr. Anya Ivanova is a brilliant scientist who has been working on a new type of light beam that she believes could revolutionize the world. The beam is made up of particles of light that are randomly arranged, and Ivanova believes that these random arrangements give the beam its unique properties. One day, Ivanova is conducting an experiment with her light beam when she makes a startling discovery. The beam seems to be able to transmute matter. In other words, it can change one element into another. Ivanova is overjoyed by this discovery, and she immediately begins to experiment with different types of matter. One of the first things that Ivanova tries to transmute is gold. She shines her light beam on a piece of lead, and to her surprise, the lead begins to change into gold. Ivanova is so excited that she runs to tell her colleagues. Ivanova's colleagues are skeptical at first, but they soon agree to help her conduct more experiments. They shine the light beam on a variety of different elements, and in every case, the beam transmutes the element into gold. However, Ivanova soon realizes that there are some natural constraints on the light beam's ability to transmute matter. First, the beam only works on elements that are relatively close together on the periodic table. For example, the beam can transmute lead into gold, but it cannot transmute lead into uranium. Second, the beam only works if the element to be transmuted is exposed to the beam for a certain amount of time. If the element is only exposed to the beam for a short period of time, it will not transmute. Third, the beam only works if the element to be transmuted is in a certain state. For example, the beam cannot transmute a solid piece of lead into gold. The lead must first be melted or vaporized. Despite these natural constraints, Ivanova's light beam is still a powerful tool. With it, she can create small amounts of gold for research purposes. She can also use the beam to help people in need. For example, she could use the beam to create medical implants or to purify water. Ivanova is careful to keep her light beam safe. She knows that it could be used for evil if it fell into the wrong hands. She only shares her discovery with a select group of trusted scientists, and she keeps the light beam in a secure location. Ivanova believes that her light beam has the potential to make the world a better place. She is committed to using it for good, and she is determined to protect it from those who would use it for evil. To ensure that, Ivanova decides to create a secret organization to protect her light beam. She calls the organization the Order of the Golden Beam, and she recruits the most trusted scientists in the world to join her. The Order of the Golden Beam operates in secret. They have a network of safe houses and communication channels that allow them to operate undetected. They recruit new members based on their skills and their commitment to using the light beam for good. The Order has a strict set of rules and regulations that all members must abide by. These rules are designed to protect the light beam and to ensure that it is used for good. The Order of the Golden Beam is a force for good in the world. They use Ivanova's light beam to help people and to make the world a better place. But they are also a reminder that even the most powerful technology can be dangerous if it falls into the wrong hands. What would happen to the economy if gold could be created at will, but the government still pegged the value of its currency to gold? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Phi Story.